Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the new 2024 Ford Ranger XL. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the STX Appearance Package as well as the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice tow hitch. You got that nice Ranger logo. Backup camera, of course. We do have a nice gripped running board. And moving to the front, we do have that license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. And we do have this nice black cloth and textured gray cloth interior. You got a fair bit of storage here with the USB and USB-C. 120 volt just right there. And pulling this down, you do get 2 cup holders and some arm space. You also have plenty of door space as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space as well. You have your tailgate light and lights in general just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 16.4 kilometers. We have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle free menu, phone and media, cruise control, volume and voice just right there. Now looking here, you have my view, trip and fuel, towing, off-road, audio, phone, settings, and vehicle maintenance. Continue our look here, you have your gear shift with your speed adjusters, cup holders, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, drive modes, traction, with your drive modes being, normal, eco, sport, tow and haul, and slippery. Continue our look here. You do have your four-wheel drive capabilities. You have a nice little fry holder right there. We have storage with the USB and USB-C. You have your climate controls right here and here, volume, hazards, so on and so forth. We do got a nice storage right here with storage in the glove compartment as well. And looking at your main screen, you also have your climate controls right here. We have a radio, phone, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sketch, towing, so on and so forth. You also have your controls such as auto hold, comm screen, settings, so on and so forth. And you do get that nice Wi-Fi hotspot as well. And we do get this nice little sketch tool, so if you need to make a list for whatever you need, you can just go whoop, 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 and then you have a sketch. And you can save it for later as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE12047, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.